evening guys. Today I will cook long yard bean with pork in red chili paste stir fry. Before you go to see how I cook it, go to check how I go to harvest long yard bean and carefully lie in my garden. Let's go. After that, I go to buy a pork in the local grocery. Go to check out. And I prepare the ingredient already. So go to check what are the ingredient for this recipe. Ingredient: sliced pork, chopped beans to be this size, chili paste, carefully lime leaf sliced to be small piece, MSG seasoning, soybean, Swiss sauce, sugar. Are you ready? So let's go to cook with me. Turn on the heat, medium heat. Add oil cooking. Wait until oil cooking hot. Take curry paste to stir fry. The curry paste I bought it, but I pound the garlic to add in the curry paste because I don't want the meal too spicy. It smells in herbal ingredient because the curry paste they make from herbal plant. Cook until the curry paste almost cook well. Add the pork, add sugar, add seasoning. Add a little bit MSG. If someone don't want to cook with MSG, don't need to use it. Add a little bit fish sauce. Add long yard bean when the pork almost cooked. The Thai kitchen we used to have outside the house because when the time we cooking the kitchen will be messy. So now I'm cooking in my real kitchen which is outside the house. Now the long yard bean turn color. It's almost cooked. If you are young, you can cook only not too long. It should be cooked like this when if you don't want to the long yard bean too soft. Add water because I want to cook until long yard bean is so soft. And I add the soybean sauce. Add more water to boil the long yard bean until they soft for my parents can eat it. It starts to smell good now. And finally, we will add carefree lime leaf. If for you guys, I recommend this just done cooking now. But for me, I will cook more longer. For me, I will wait until the long yard bean cook very well. I don't know where is my carefree leaf go. So I left a little bit. I add carefree lime leaf. Then it's done already. I take only long yard bean that the fruit not so look good and the fruit is start to be old. Because we harvest many long yard beans, some nice I take them to sell at my sister's grocery, and some I take to cooking. So then you will have long yard bean with pork stir fry in chili paste. Thank you for keep watching until I'm done cooking. Hope you enjoy it and know how Thai food recipe a little bit. If you think this video is helpful and share with you, please give a thumb up and share to your friends. And if you are a newer here, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notify. I hope all guys doing good and be healthy. Hope to see you in the next video. I have to say goodbye สวัสดีค่ะ